Do you want to improve your English speaking skill? Do you want to make a real conversation without living abroad? Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jharna and today is my day 19 of 30 days English speaking challenge. So you can improve your English speaking skill at your home. It's possible. If you want to do it, then you can do it. You have to fix your goal. Why do you want to speak English and why it is important? And within how many days you will do it? You have to fix your goal and you have to work for this. For English practice, there's no need to go abroad and there's no need to living in London. You can do it at your home. You can do it yourself. There's no need also English teacher. There's no need to English environment, right? And if you want to learn English, you can do it. And you can create your own environment. You can change your media language. You can change your phone setting. And you have to train your mouth and mind also to speak in English. Because our mouth is very compatible in our native language. In the past, it is so uncomfortable to speak. And our brain also not comfortable to think in English. If you don't have any partner, you can make yourself your partner. Don't stuck yourself in a grammar drill and with textbook. Yes, you have to read sometimes a little paragraph or improve your pronunciation. And don't stick yourself around the English grammar. And don't think you will be perfect fast, then you will start speaking. It will be not possible if you think like that. You have to speak from day one. That's all for today's video, friend. If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel for watching more English learning journey video.